Welcome to Conversing Group. I want to show you guys our office. When we bought this building, it was an old parking garage, and actually that is not correct. It was an old automotive garage. Actually, the front half of our building over this way, I would say from about right here back, was being used to actually build engines. When we bought the building, we performed our phase 1 and phase 2. We obviously discovered that the site is polluted, like most areas in downtown Chattanooga. So we did have to remediate the pollution. You can see that all of our floors are concrete. We poured about 18 inches of concrete throughout the whole building, obviously after capping off the pollution. So this is a brownfield site. Also our warehouse, and where we also play table tennis. We have a lunch vehicle over there, our Conversing Group golf cart. So our waiting area is there, our break area, large conference room. Our mezzanine area is kind of like a hangout area, coffee shop kind of vibe. We have staff that work here. We have Miss Pac-Man over there, Donkey Kong. Foosball. So our office is made out of shipping containers. These are actual shipping containers. I often get asked how they're set in here. These things are actually cemented in the ground, all of them. So it's probably the safest place to be in a bad storm. Our small conference room is there. So our office is kind of set up with the way our process works. So we got accounting, orders management, sales, security, managed services, project management, consulting on the other side. Since we don't have enough desks for everyone, many of our desks are used as floating stations, so folks float around. We have desk schedules, so people can share desks. This is our small gym. Human resources here. And again, project management, also floating stations. Brandon Williams' office is over there, our COO. Workbench. We actually used to use this as a workbench, but now that we have so many people, it's actually used as a desk. Brandon's office is apparently a junk storage office currently. Boxes everywhere, I don't know what that's for, but these are my digs up here. Crow's nest. This was not my design. People often ask me if I designed this so I could look down on others. That is not true. This is my office. I also failed to show you that this is the building that we recently acquired across the street. We will be ultimately tearing that building down and constructing a 4-story. So this is Conversing Group. Thank you for joining us.